I'm sitting here by my work. As I said last Tuesday, this is the last Tuesday of the week. A quick shout out to all the recyclable companies out there in East London, Botswana, Eritrea, and Koffenwabe. Listen, recycle is something we don't do. You know, when I'm finished with my KFC, I move it out the window. If a penguin eats it in Dordrecht, that's their problem. When I'm finished with my Checkers bucket, I throw it over into the neighbour's yard. Hopefully that dog what barks all the time can bloody choke on that thing. Shut it up for once. But anyway, but if you think about it, recycling companies, best people in the whole earth, they're trying to keep all those piggies in line here by picking up all the papers. You know, there's only one recycling company in East London. Let me tell you for you now, I don't care if your dad's got a recycling company. It's useless. I don't care if your brother with a club foot has got a recycling thing. He should stick to ice hockey, puck kicking or something. And there's only one. It's called Paperman. Now listen for me here now. I'm telling you now, I don't often talk about companies because nobody ever gives me anything. Paperman in East London share near the airport. They collect. You got rubbish by your business, they collect. They collect paper, cardboard boxes, glass, plastic, metal, copper. They collect anything. Dog turds, leftover spaghetti, bolognese, anything you want. Paperman, the best paper recycling. Paper, they're not only about paper. These people, they like trees, but they recycle. I'm telling you, the best thing ever. And if you go to Paperman, Auntie Gagi over there, she'll give you a cup of coffee and a brownie. It's in the contract, coffee and a brownie. So, all the companies there by RDZ and Mercedes-Benz and Oaks what sell things what come in cardboard boxes and paper and copper wire and glass and everything, bottle stores. It doesn't matter. Paperman will took it all. They've got a machine there. If you want to get rid of your ex-wife, they've got a machine there, squashing into a square box. I'm telling you now, it's the best thing what you've ever seen. I sometimes go there and I sit in the hall and just watch all the people sort out all the rubbish. So guys, spread the word. Paperman is the recycling people in East London. You have to, you think, Gagi says you can give me a full little copper stamp as if I send this advert out. So come on now, spread the word. Paperman, I've already covered gynecologists, cafes, tire replacement people, and the people who would make mud huts. I've done adverts for them, but this one's for recycling. You know,